What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy, download and play GTA 5 on Steam. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Steam's official website, and from there you need to install the Steam application. And after that you need to log in or sign up with your Steam account. Now after installing and signing up or logging in, you will see this type of Steam application. This is the dashboard of the Steam application. From here you need to hover to the store section, and after coming to the store section on the right side, you can see the search bar. Click on this and then type GTA. And after that, as you can see, this Grand Theft Auto 5. Click on this and then click on View Page. And after clicking on View Page, you will be redirected to the Grand Theft Auto 5 page. From here, you need to scroll on a bit and then you need to click on Add to Cart. And after that, when you have added this game to your cart, you will be automatically redirected to your cart, or you will see a pop-up to move to or continue to cart. And after that, when you come to your cart, as you can see here, I have added the Grand Theft Auto 5 enhanced version. And when you have added this, on the right side, you will see the button to continue to payment. Click on this. And after that, you just need to enter your payment details. And after paying, you will be able to download, play GTA 5 on Steam. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.